Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Today I want to walk you through a 2023 Nautique G23 that we just got here in stock, ready to be looked at. So let's take a look at what we got here. So like I said, G23, we got the nice Mystic White on the hull side here. You'll also notice on the bottom, this is what they call Masters Blue. It's a nice kind of sky blue look. And then along the side here, we have a haze gray, which also matches the tower. So the haze gray on the tower as well. Let's go to the back. On the swim platform here, we kind of kept that Masters Blue through here on the swim platform. We got the rear boarding ladder here. And then, as always, NSS, so Nautique Surf System. You got the surf pipe. We equipped this one with the steer assist, the NCRS. So all these things that help you do surfing, wakeboarding, even tubing if you want, but just a great boat. And then also I wanted to point out underwater lights. So a lot of options on the interior. Let's go take a look. All right, welcome to the interior of this 2023 G23. So we'll start off in the back real quick. So like our G23s, you've got the nice seats in the back. So if you're hanging out with family, it's a nice place to sit. You've got a built-in cooler back there as well, and then a place to adjust the stereo with some cup holders. So all our G23s, G25s, G21s, all subfloor ballast in the Nautique. So you've got tons of storage in here. All the ballast tanks are subfloor. Great to have. In our G23, we put the standard ZZ6, so 450 horsepower with 465 torque. Plenty of engine for this boat. So we'll take a look at the colors a little bit. So we got the haze gray, like we saw on the outside, and then a little bit of that Masters Blue that you'll see as well, because that's on the bottom of the boat. So as we walk in, we got the nice sea decking, easy to walk into this boat. You're not stepping on any cushions. We also got the nice step right down in here. And then this bench does pull out. So if anybody's surfing or anything like that, you can pull that out and sit back. We got the strapless board racks up here on the tower. Just put your board in here, lift this up, put the board up against it, and it'll hold it in place. We did the one pair of the 8.8-inch JL drivers with the down lighting included. And speaking of lighting, we got the LED lighting throughout the boat. You can change the colors. This is obviously blue, but you can go through the entire color wheel if you'd like. And then we did add the bimini. So this is fixed up on the tower. It has kind of big, I like to call them big bat wings, so they open up on each side. You lock them into place, you're good to go. And then all the towers on the Nautiques, if you unlock them, will fold backward. So a little bit easier if you're trying to drive it into a lift or anywhere else, or under a bridge or something. It doesn't impede when you're sitting here at the driver's seat. So let's go into the helm here. So with all our Nautiques, we got this beautiful helm area. The helm chair itself is very ergonomical. It's got a nice big backrest, so it really supports you. And then they put this little cutout here, so if you're sitting here, you can put your leg out. It's really comfortable. Obviously with the steering wheel here, you got your throttle, and then you can change all your information here with the rotary encoder, and then all your information if you want to at a push of a button, or you can go to the 12.4-inch link pan array system. That is all touchscreen. You can get to everything. It's all integrated into this system. So that's really nice to have. We got storage under here. I've got a built-in cooler, one of my favorite things. You got a cooler right in here. You can actually pull that cooler out, fill that whole thing up with ice. It'll drain right out, but you could have drinks for all day long. And then as we come up into the bow of this G23, we got plenty of room for a 23-footer. You've got storage underneath both of these seats. And then this is actually a nice step out to get off the boat without stepping on a cushion. This comes out as well. But it's a double purpose, so I can take this and I can flip it over. And it's actually a bow filler cushion. So I've got cup holders up here. I can fill the bow up. You can spend a bunch of time up here, 2, 3, 4 people maybe, and hang out, which is really nice. And then you got the armrests as well. So G23 Nautique, it's a 2023 here at our Rogers location. If you want to come take a look at this boat or any other boats that we got, you can give us a call and set up an appointment, or just stop on by. We're on County Road 81 here in Rogers. And as always, please click that like button and then click to subscribe to see all the videos that we're putting out on a daily basis.